Netflix partnering with Microsoft for its new ad-supported tier. I can't remember if we were considering the ad-supported tier or not for Netflix. What was your take on that?
No, I would definitely pay full price.
You don't want the ads. I don't know how surprised people will be by this partner, but because apparently they've partnered together in the past, Microsoft and Netflix. Well, Microsoft will be the partner for global advertising technology and sales. So they'll be figuring out all these deals with advertisers, and they'll be figuring out how to implement it across the platform. And I'm guessing that this ad-supported tier is going to be with us sooner than later. Netflix partnering with Microsoft upcoming ad-supported streaming tier. They announced on Wednesday. Global advertising technology and sales partner. It's very early days. We have much to work through. This is Netflix COO. Our long-term goal is clear. More choice for consumers and a premium better than linear TV brand experience for advertisers. We're excited to work with Microsoft as we bring this new service to life. Now, the reason Microsoft says that they're the best partner for the job is because they say we really take care of your users' privacy and security.
Really?
Yeah, they're talking that language. They're talking that talk. Starting to sound like Apple over there. No.
Satya?
They've probably all been saying it now. It's such a hot marketing buzz. Today's announcement also endorses Microsoft's approach to privacy, which is built on protecting customers' information. Yeah. The other thing here is that Microsoft can learn something and then potentially bring this technology into their very own free-to-play Xbox games. Mm-hmm. Now, what if you save the $80, CAD, and you got to watch a couple ads when you boot up the game? What do you say about that? Because that's a big ticket. Go ahead, Will.
Not for me.
Spoils the experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to watch any ads. I don't want to deal with any ads. I'll just pay the full price.
Easy there, Will.
You know?
You're getting carried away over there.
You know.
Talking about paying for all these things.
Yeah. Full ticket.
Well, I still think they do need a cheaper subscription because that stuff's getting out of hand. I don't mind the options. If a guy like Will and you're balling out of control, you pay for it, so be it. If you want to watch Stranger Things and you don't want to pay $20 a month, well, you could watch a couple ads.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah, there's options.
I like the options personally, and it looks maybe like it's a bit closer to being implemented than we may have originally imagined. Netflix and Microsoft teamed up in the past using Silverlight technology for streaming until they figured out HTML5. And actually, the Xbox 360 was the first console with an HD Netflix streaming app.
Oh.
So they've been together before.
Yeah.
And here they are together again.
Couple favors.